I'm Roland Wolters, working for Isovalent, and I am the head of technical marketing there. So running everything around content, meaning all the blog posts we write, books we write, case studies we do, but also in the end we have labs, the hands-on labs which we do, which play a crucial role for us, and this is all done by my team. Isovalent is a company founded, I should better know this, a couple of years ago, probably around 8 to 10 years. And the focus, what we do is all around Kubernetes networking and Kubernetes security these days also. And if you do networking and security, of course, it's about observability, so really looking into it. The core piece of Isovalent is we are part of the team which founded or which invented eBPF, which is a core technology these days crucial for things like networking, security, and observability in Kubernetes space, and these days also in VM space, like virtual machines, everything where Linux is running basically. Instruqt is a crucial piece for us because our technology, and especially our product, is very much hands-on. It's for people who are technical champions, who really do the things in the company, and the problem is, how do you reach out to them? One of the challenges is, if you have wonderful slide decks, they're not going to listen to you. You can't take a slide deck and walk up to a practitioner and tell them, hey, we are great, and they say, yeah, no. So what you need is something what we call seeing is believing, so they need to do this. They need to actually get their kind of hands dirty. This is where the labs come in. So we have the labs ready on our webpage during workshops, during webinars and so on, where they can just jump onto the labs, do them themselves, and this way get an idea of the product, of the technology, how it works. And we have the labs for a lot of use cases. So we have, I think, over 40 or 50 labs by now, covering a lot of use cases across security, networking, observability. In our case, how you bring clusters together, or how you connect them with the outside world, or how you do basic things or very advanced things. So really covering a wide width of use cases, of approaches to the customer and so on. And these days also even targeting different personas. Let's say the networking persona, the platform persona, the security persona, and so on. And last but not least, just to add, we recently also started to have the labs or the environment Instruqt provides for demos, because sometimes we go up to a customer, right, and the customer says, yeah, well, just show me, and then we don't want an environment where we go step by step, where we want to have a clean environment where the customer just can say, yeah, show me this, show me that. And so we use Instruqt environment to have a ready-made reproducible demo environment full with data, everything already set up and so on. And then our sales engineers can show this to the customer and say, you know what, tell me where to go. Let's do this together, let's explore this. Everyone tells us our labs are amazing. It's not up to me, but I have very creative people on my team. I was very lucky there, and they create really great labs, and the people are very happy. We do a lot of, let's say, gamification around it, that we have a cool map where people can see their progress through the labs and so on. And this is what people really like, and they really enjoy it. And some of them really try to do all 40 or 40-something labs. Customers, as well as the prospects alike, they tell us they really enjoy them and they learn a lot. It's not just something scripted where they follow a mouse pointer which they need to click or something, or where they lean back and watch a video. It's really interactive. And they can really destroy the things, and they really see, hey, this is real. This is something actually happening. The eBee Quest was where we invited a selected list of customers or prospects, people interested, and then we asked them, or we gave them the challenge to do as many labs as possible in a given time. Whoever had the most labs got a small prize and could pick the prize. And of course it was nice for the atmosphere and the food, but also for the people who really wanted to see how many labs they can do and what use cases they can cover. The people are really engaged. And since the people work in real life environments, like in environments which are just set up for them, and they see, hey, this is actual stuff we are working with, it's always great, but also because there's always discussions coming up, questions, details, and so on. So you have a lot of conversations around this with customers, prospects alike. It's really good. And it was also fun because, in a positive way, these odd situations where, for example, there was one person with VR glasses doing the labs. The first time I saw this, or someone doing this on their small mobile phone with an extra keyboard for a mobile phone, extra mouse for a mobile phone. Never seen this before, so it was also fun. It was good atmosphere and a lot of fun people and conversations.